Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax Venice, and this is one of our brand new Boston Whaler 2018 21 Dauntless. So what we're going to do, we'll kind of go through the boat here and show you some of the features on the boat as well as some of the options. Now with your whalers, between the hull and the deck, it's all closed cell foam, so that equates to safety and also durability. This particular one, actually all the whalers have the AccuTrack hull. Nice deep V reverse chines that gets the boat on plane quickly. That's where your dry ride comes from. This one we brought in with the optional Mercury Pro 4-stroke, 200 horsepower. She does have trim tabs right here. Also the stainless rub rail is an option, as well as your bimini top. If you notice all of the stainless steel, Whaler does a great job with all their hardware. So let's jump up inside. One thing that a lot of people like about the boat, it's a nice little fishing boat, shallow draft, very easy to maintain, but it has a big bench seat here that rolls out. You've got a helm bench seat here that goes fore and aft, recirculating bait well underneath here, plenty of room on the dash for whatever electronics you want to put on there, a digital throttle and shift for the 200 Pro back here. So this one also has two live wells. You have one right here, and you also have another one up in the front. So if you have someone fishing in the front and the rear, it makes it a little bit more convenient. We do have the bow pad option on this one, as well as fully enclosed head with the porta potty. So this is one of the few 21-foot boats that offer that. So to recap, 21 Dauntless, located at MarineMax in Venice, and my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. If you'd like some information on the boat, feel free to give us a call. The number here is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time, and we do hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.